Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the ACG Phassad by Nike in the yellow Zest and silver metallic colorway. These were released back in early July 2025 for the retail price of £110. The shoes come in an ACG branded cardboard box with the shoes wrapped in white paper. You also get an ACG sticker, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This 2003 trail runner is back with its unique shroud that's inspired by tent flaps, covering the laces for a clean outdoor focused look. The yellow Zest and metallic silver colorway catches the eye, while the black, high-density textured rubber overlays that wrap around the toe and mudguard adds contrast and durability. The mesh lining also offers a breathable comfort, finished off with a rugged outsole for added traction when you need to hit the road or whatever you're doing in the city or trail. I like the colors and the ACG rugged style. I just wish that the shroud was able to clip on each side for that more symmetric look, because when wearing them it does lean to the side and it doesn't look as clean. On feet I recommend staying true to size. It's more of a snug fit similar to the Air Max 95 or the Nike Sonda without feeling too tight. The air cushioning and traction is nice, and I'm pairing this with some black sweatpants from Marks & Spencer's, an Arsenal jersey and a Nike Tech fleece just to see how they look on feet. I'll probably recommend these as a walking shoe due to its lightweight and water resistant feature. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment 10 to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.